sort of sat there looking, thinking, I'm gonna be out of this in a minute. Like, this is crazy. And then you get the 6-minute call and it's sort of your turn to stand up. And I was thinking, this is not a good thing. What am I doing? What am I doing? And then the timings roll down, and again you get the green on, and all your drills kind of kick in. And before you know it, I was outside the plane hanging under a parachute. And then the last thing I really remember is laying on the ground. I watched the plane fly off doing its orbit, then drop some other people, and just sort of lay on the ground thinking, I was in that a minute ago. And it all builds up to that one big day. It's like the World Cup final. So it's your chance to do a display in front of the public wearing the Falcons jumpsuit. So it's a really weird thing. You never think it's going to come. And you're stood there on the edge of the ramp or in the door, and it's finally here. It's that feeling of like being outside the plane and thinking, it's actually happening now, I'm doing it. It's only when I look back at my helmet camera afterwards, or some of your pictures, I get to see what it actually looked like on the edge.